Hey everyone, if you want to access a computer anytime without someone accepting the request, you need unattended access in AnyDesk. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable it step by step in 2026. First, open AnyDesk and go to the Settings menu. This is where all security and access options are configured. Next, click on the Security tab. This section controls permissions and remote access settings. Now look for unattended access and enable it. This allows you to connect without manual approval from the remote device. After enabling it, set a strong password. So this password will be required whenever you connect remotely. Make sure all security permissions are correctly configured. Incorrect settings may block remote access even if unattended mode is enabled. Next, restart AnyDesk to apply the changes. Restarting helps ensure all new settings are saved properly. Now try connecting from another device using the AnyDesk address and password. This confirms that unattended access is working correctly. Make sure the connection works without needing manual approval. This is the main purpose of unattended access. If needed, adjust additional security settings like access control or whitelist devices. So this helps improve safety while using remote access. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates can improve security and fix access issues. And that's it. You've successfully enabled unattended access in AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.